Hello and welcome to UND's weather update. Thank you for joining me today on February 12th. I am Brianna Kump. Today, chance of snow and wind chill around -28 tonight with some gusty winds switching to the north later on today. Wind chill advisory is in effect until noon today. Like I said, those wind chills will be continuing into tonight, but today, -28 for those wind chills, so bundle up and be careful outside. Almanac today in Grand Forks, our high today is 5 and our low is 4. Not a very large spread. Our normal high is 21 and our normal low is 0. Rainfall for this month is 0, but we did see some snow earlier this week with the season totaling out at 0.25 inches of rain equivalent. Sunset tonight will be at 5:46 tonight. Now looking at your regional temperatures across North Dakota and into Montana. Glendive at 37, Williston at 22, Crosby at 19. Into the middle of North Dakota, Minot sitting at 15 degrees and 14. Across the central part of North Dakota, Garrison, Bismarck, and Linton all at 14 today. Now in the eastern part of North Dakota, Langdon sitting up at 6. Grand Forks and Thief River Falls in a cold spot at 4 degrees. Wahpeton a whopping 8 degrees. Now today, expect a high of 5 in Grand Forks with some windy conditions gusting up to 18 miles per hour. Like I said, those wind chills will be a factor today as well. Wind chill advisory until noon. Winds from the south, but switching overnight to the north with winds or temperature, at 4 degrees overnight tonight. And then tomorrow, 16 degrees, a little bit warmer tomorrow, but snow will be returning late tomorrow night, with those winds increasing as well overnight. Now in Fargo, 7 degrees with snow later and winds gusting to 18 as well. Winds from the south at 9 to 14 miles per hour. Overnight tonight in Fargo, 6 degrees with some increasing temperatures overnight, warming to about 12 by midnight. And tomorrow, a little bit higher temperature in Fargo as well. High of 19, but the wind chill returns later on as well with those winds coming from the north-northwest, a little bit strong at 10 to 13 sustained wind speed. Now looking at our satellite radar across the U.S., not a whole lot, a little bit up in the northeast for precipitation, but in the Midwest, not a whole lot going on, especially for eastern North Dakota. There is a little bit of precip getting picked up by the radar, but not a whole lot to be worried about right now. Concerns are for later tonight. Now looking at our futurecast forecast model. This morning, we're sitting under a high pressure system, but we are getting those winds from the north, bringing us a little bit of colder air today, some Arctic air actually. And then by tomorrow, a cold front pushes through. We will be warming up a little bit actually after that passage comes through, and we can be seeing some clouds associated with that. Now by Sunday, we increase our chances again, 40% chance of snow on Sunday with this low pressure system pushing through and a little bit of moisture associated with that low. Now for your extended forecast. Like I said, today 5, 16 on Friday, but for Valentine's Day, 7 below, 16 below at night. So if you're going to go out on Valentine's Day, please bundle up. It's going to be a chilly one. But for the rest of the weekend, looks a little bit warmer. Into next week, we could be seeing highs in the mid-teens again.